Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. This is Female Skills Empowerment TV, the best place to get your well-detailed training videos on any skill of your choice. In case you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post new videos. Alright? And to my returning subscribers, I sincerely appreciate you all. Now, in today's video, I'll be showing you the practical steps on how to make a quality perfume at home using a step-by-step process. Over here, I have my pre-measured ingredients. I have my methanol, which is the base of the production. I also have my propylene glycol. Alright, actually this is the ingredient that helps the perfume to retain or to last longer when you spray it on your body. So here I have my methanol, followed by fragrance oil, and lastly I have my propylene glycol. Now, let's get started. Kindly watch the video and follow every step. I'll go ahead and put a little of the methanol into my mixing bottle. You can use any container of your choice. I choose to use this, so I'll be able to give it a good shake. So after the methanol, in goes my fragrance oil. Add the fragrance oil, give it a shake, and then add the remaining methanol, followed by the propylene glycol. Actually, perfume production is the simplest production ever. This is something you can do all by yourself from start to finish. You can do it for personal use and for commercial purpose. Okay? And the beauty of making this perfume by yourself is that you would be able to, customize the fragrance oil to suit your taste. Alright? So this is my propylene glycol. Like I said earlier, it helps the perfume to last longer. Now let's talk about the fragrance oil. In today's production, I'm using two different types of fragrance oil. Okay, the mixture of Cool River and Passion. And please, if you do not know how to combine fragrance, it is better to use one type of fragrance oil instead of combining fragrance that won't give you a good scent at the end of the production. Okay, so instead of making such mistake, if you do not know how to combine fragrance, you can use only one type and your perfume will still be okay. Wow, I'm loving the fragrance already. It smells nice. At this stage, our perfume is almost ready. Now, in the production of perfume, there's a process called maturing process. This is the period which you have to leave the perfume for about 3 to 5 days. So I'll go ahead and leave this one for some days before putting it in my spray bottle for souvenir and for personal use. Hi guys, this is my perfume after a couple of days. At this point, I'll go ahead and package it one after the other. And also note that you can use 10 drops of essential oil in the place of fragrance oil. 10 drops of essential oil. So with this, we have come to the end of today's production of perfume at home. Thanks for being part of today's class, and thanks for watching. Until I come your way again with other interesting videos. Bye for now.